Welcome to the Civil Engineering Department of Andhra Layala Institute of Engineering and Technology. Myself, Nagaraj Chanmolu, Head of the Department of Civil. So, coming to our department, it is established in 2013, and the main highlights of our department is our students secured consecutively 3 Pratibha Awards and 1 gold medal award for the highest percentage of entire university in JNTU Kakinada. And next, coming to the civil department, it is the core branch of the entire society. In this, you will learn, as a student, you will learn mostly about structural design, soil mechanics, transportation systems, water resource systems, and also environmental engineering. So after completing this engineering, you will be able to do building designs, building designs. Similarly, bridge engineering and also transportation systems, which includes roads and highways, and also environmental sustainability, which includes environmental safety and also safety of the society. Through this, department in our college, you will be able to come out as an able and sustainable engineer for the future generations. So with this, we welcome again to our civil engineering department. Thank you.